Page of Pentacles. Some of you may be receiving a message of stability. Some of you may be dealing with a younger type earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Someone practical, someone that's, kind of good to have around if you want them there. Current environment is the Four of Wands. You may be looking into buying a home. Some of you may just have a happy home. Maybe some of you are just trying to make a happy home with the people around you with the Four of Wands. Sometimes it has to do with celebrations, with crossing it. Someone may not receive an offer you're giving them, or you're not going to receive an offer from them. Maybe an offer to come to somebody's house, like I said, to celebrate. It could be either or. We'll clarify these. When I clarify, it changes the story up, so stick with me. Plus, I'm giving the love reading at the end. What is crowning you is the devil. The devil is someone who is feeling obsessed about something. Maybe they're feeling chained to a situation where they feel like they can't get out of it. Foundation is moving forward quickly. This is something, if you're wanting to move forward from a negative situation or even from a chain situation, it looks like you're going to try to do so. In the past, the Knight of Pentacles, again, this could be an earth sign, but it could be also stability heading your way. In the very near future, Sagittarius, you are breaking free from a negative situation, something that you felt trapped in. Possible future outcome and advice from the universe, the Lovers in your reverse. Like I said, I will clarify to find out what that's about. What is coming towards you is gain and independence with the Nine of Pentacles. Sometimes material wealth, more money coming in. Your hopes and fears is the Six of Swords, is moving on from troubled waters. And you're going to release a burden with the Ten of Wands. Let's find out what's going on. It looks pretty good so far, but we got to find out what the releasing of the burdens. What are you becoming trapped from? What is this cup you're not accepting, or maybe you want someone to accept it? And the Lovers in reverse, that'd be interesting too. So let's go back to the beginning with the Four of Wands and the Four of Cups. While you're there, I need 2 cards for Sagittarius as the current environment. 2 cards, please. Seven of Cups. Yeah, you're not going to accept anything that's not good for you. And like I said, this can be vice versa, someone else not accepting it, but I'm calling this as Sagittarius. With the Seven of Cups in reverse, you don't accept any confusing offers, and it makes sense of why the Four of Cups is there now, because you're not sure if they're good for you, whatever is being offered. And there may have been a battle you had with somebody, that's why. You're like, I don't want to argue, I don't want to battle, because that seems that's all we do, so I may not accept what you have to offer. It doesn't mean that you won't accept it, it means you're saying this to them. And you don't want to be chained or tied down. And for some of you, you may be obsessing over a situation. For others, you may be feeling someone is overindulging, that could have also to do with the Cups energy. So I need 2 cards for the Devil in the upright as the goal or what crowns Sagittarius. 2 cards, please. Yeah, you don't want to carry a burden. You're putting an end to burdens. You do not want to be chained down. So you may put an end to a burdensome situation. That's the Ten of Wands there. In the end, that's what you do. So let's go back down to the foundation. A Chariot is you moving forward in life and moving forward quickly. So the Chariot in the upright, I need 2 cards for Sagittarius. And you're moving forward quickly. We need more information as to why or whatever. 2 more cards for the Chariot. You're going to be more careful. You're going to be more careful. You're moving forward, but you're going to be careful about it. It has something to do with moving on from a troubling situation that was kind of difficult. You're wanting to move on from a troubling situation because I see it in your hopes and fears. So it looks like you're moving forward. Why? Because it was a situation that was very troubling and hard to get out of. And you're going to be very careful in how you do it. Let's move this over. This is for your love reading at the end. Now, in the past position, a Knight of Pentacles is heading towards you. It could be stability, like I said, heading your way, or like an earth sign. So Knight of Pentacles in the upright while you're there, in the past position for Sagittarius. Yeah, there's a Chariot again. Yeah, you're moving forward. For some of you, you could be dealing with a water sign with the King of Cups, but it also could be that you're taking on, you're keeping your emotions under control. You're able to manifest what you're wanting in that area with emotions. It also could be that some of you are heading towards a water sign also, or maybe you're moving on forward with a water sign, or someone with emotions that are in check. Now, in the very near future, you got the Eight of Swords. You're coming out of feeling trapped. So, Eight of Swords. I need 2 cards, please, for Sagittarius in the near future. Very near future. The Sun in reverse, Eight of Swords again. Yeah, this is the main energy. You're breaking free because you're not happy being trapped. Okay? You're not happy not be able to do what you're wanting to do in life. I'm not talking breaking free of relationships. Everybody thinks that. No, breaking free from feeling mentally trapped into something. Okay? So this is why, like I said, you're breaking free. You're not why? Because you're not happy, and you were feeling because you were trapped. You know, you felt stuck in some way. Now, possible future outcome and advice from the universe is the Lovers in reverse. I need 2 cards for that. Why is the Lovers in reverse? Let's find out what it's about. Yeah, messages from the Lover in reverse. Someone you had a relationship with that is no longer there, or maybe that you broke it off at one time. You may receive a message. Page of Cups. Again, it could be from a water sign or just someone who wants to offer you their cup, an emotional situation. For some of you, it could be a younger water sign too. But this person may be, in the end, you're dealing with them. Maybe you come to a conclusion with them. Maybe you talk it out. Maybe someone offers friendship with a past lover in some way, or they offer it to you. Now, what is coming towards you is gain, money, things that you want, independence, you know. So 9 of Pentacles in the upright. Why are you there coming towards Sagittarius? Why are you coming towards them? The World in reverse. Someone that you knew before, or something that you knew before, not someone, something. Something from the past revisits you that gives you gain in life. Something you weren't expecting with a High Priestess. It was hidden from you. So you are getting gain from an outside source, an independence that you were not, that you thought was over with the World in reverse. You thought that you had dealt with it before. And you just didn't see it. You weren't seeing it. You're not seeing it coming because the High Priestess is there. And the High Priestess keeps secrets, you know. Now, your hopes and fears, you're wanting the 6 of Swords. You're wanting to move forward again, you know, or move from troubled waters. So 6 of Swords. I need 2 cards, please, for Sagittarius. You want to gain a victory, and you want to choose where you want to go wisely with the 2 of Wands. And you will choose what you need to do. You know you need to make a choice in life to go further in where you want to go. Because it shows you moving on from a troubling situation, gain victory, like I said. But a choice needs to be made before you do. And you know that. And you will release a burden. Right there, your goal is to put it to rest, you know, a burden, and you do so. So, the 10 of Wands in reverse, while you're there, for Sagittarius in the very end. 2 cards, please. Then we'll do the love reading. King of Swords and Judgment in reverse. Yeah, it's not like it's the final decision in your life, but you're just releasing it for now. Some of you could be taking on the King of Swords where you speak your truth and you're real adamant in what you need to say. But at the same time, someone may not like the judgment you're going to make. That could be it too for the Judgment in reverse. But you're releasing something because you need to. Because you need to move on. Because you got gain coming. And you don't want to be tied down or stuck in an environment where it mentally strains you. And you're letting people know that you're moving forward again. So someone's going to make you an offer over here, and you may like say, no, I don't want to do that. I don't like the embattlement that is included with this, and I'm going to release this burden. You may be involved with a water sign. I'm not saying that's the person you're going against. I'm saying you're moving forward with this King of Cups and the Knight of Pentacles. You do have finances that are coming your way that you're not knowing about, okay? You will move on from troubling situations because you're making a choice. And you may be taking on the King of Swords, or the King, you may be dealing with an air sign too. But I do see you releasing a burden from a situation, and maybe people don't like it. It may not be a final decision, but it's something that you need to release for now. In the end, people are going to want to collaborate with you, but like I said, I see you releasing it. You're not going to want to mess with it. Could have to do with anything, like family, friends, job. Now I'm going to give you a love reading. I'll be right back. It could be totally different energy, or, give me something different, or I can collaborate with this. We shall see. Hold on just a second. I'm going to clean this up. Hello, Sagittarius. Back again with your love reading. I'm going to give a 3-card angel love reading, and then 3-card angel answers that'll tell us what you need to know more about your love life and the things around you. Now, that may give us 3 different situations, or it'll be one different, whole big story. Let's find out. Stay optimistic about your love life, okay? Stay optimistic, because perfect timing's at hand. It'll happen at the time it's supposed to. So don't get all upset if you think love isn't going to come in. It is, okay? It'll eventually come in at the right time, at the right moment when you need it the most. New love is coming in for Sagittarius, so stay optimistic, okay? Because perfect timing. New love is coming in, and there'll be a lot of romance involved. Things that you like, okay, and love. Now, 3rd pile. Calling in your soulmate. I'm going to pull a past life reading card because I said I would. Sometimes they're kind of stressful and I don't like pulling them, but I said I would, so I will. And listen to your intuition. If you feel like this person is for you and you met him before, or you knew him, like deja vu, did we know each other before? Trust your intuition. You probably have. It's your soulmate. So you stay optimistic, okay? Your soulmate will come in perfect time if we read these all together. If not, you can take it into 3 different things, whatever you feel relates to you. But I see this as a very good thing that your soulmate is coming in. It's going to be a new type of love. So maybe that's why you're releasing burdens from your last one, your situation. But I do see you going on with different signs or positive signs, zodiac signs. They weren't really negative, but... Okay, I need a card. I'm going to say 1 card. If I need another card, I'll pull it for the past life reading. I need a card for the past life reading for Sagittarius. Who is their soulmate? What is their soulmate to them? Authority figures. Someone that may be a boss in some way. Someone that's high up. A judge or something. This person could be an authority figure in a past life or in this life. Sometimes they carry it over with them. You carry your situation over. Let's get another card. Let's see if you give us more information or another card, because we're dealing with more than one Sagittarius here. Can I get another card for the past life reading for Sagittarius? Who is this soulmate for Sagittarius? Give us another card. Give us more information. Transportation. Maybe they work for airlines. I don't know. Train station. But it's calling your soulmate. Maybe you met him on a trip. Maybe you met him while traveling. This person. I need 1 more card for the soulmate reading. So they're high up in authority, or you were. And involves transportation, whether they worked in that or you met them traveling. Can I get 1 more card for Sagittarius? 1 more card, please. Wars and battle. So someone who was high up, for some of you, it could be just this one that you met them in, or you met them while traveling and they're high up, and it had something to do with wartime and during battle. So, this new love that you're coming in, apparently you went through a lot together. You met them somewhere where there was trials and tribulations for sure. and they had a higher calling, and they may still to this day. So if you know who this person is, they may be in the military, and they may travel a lot, or, you know, whatever this could fit in this, their job. They're just telling you what kind of person they are, and they're probably very, very much in control of themselves, okay? So stay optimistic about your love life. In perfect timing, it will come. New love is coming. Romance is coming. Your soulmate is coming. And listen to your intuition when they do. Don't talk yourself out of it, okay? Talk to you later, Sagittarius. I'll upload this when I can. Okay, bye.